Well, hello. Good afternoon. It's 3:30. This is going to be a quickie. Most of you jump in after I've already begun reading, and I'm in another window. So if you pop in chat, and I'll be back in a minute. We've got a couple pages here to read, but I wanted to pop on real quick and give this a read. I saw that a couple of new documents, and we're going to take a little peeky poo. All right. So I'm just going to kick this thing right off because I got to go to work. So I'm making this quick. This is a quick in and out bangarang. Hope everybody's having a great day. Happy, awesome. What's today? Thursday? Is it Thursday? All right. Here we go. Defendant's motion to unseal the IGG hearing. Now, Bryan C. Kohberger, by and through his and hereby moves this honorable court for an order of genealogy, also referred to genetic information or IGG suppression and related hearing. First footnote, right? Related briefs are 1. Memorandum in support for motion to suppress regarding genetic information with attached exhibits filed 7/18/2024. 2. To defendant's motion to suppress regarding genetic information with exhibits filed under seal 12/6/2024. And reply to state's objection to defendant's motion and memorandum in support regarding genetic information with attached exhibits filed 12/20/2024. Procedural history. Mr. Kohberger filed his first motion to compel IGG June 22nd, 2023. We just read over this yesterday. So those are the two things we went over yesterday. Ann Taylor's declaration and Becca Barlow's declaration, also filed June 22nd, 2023. Anyways, the hearing on that matter was public and involved several expert witnesses. The court ordered the production of an under seal. Mr. Kohberger filed a second IGG discovery on April 15th, 2024. Over the objection of Mr. Kohberger, the portion of the May 30th, 2024 hearing, motion to compel IGG discovery be closed. I'm going to pause right here. Let me come to my mic, damn it. I hope I haven't been talking this whole time and nobody can hear me. Hello, friends. I'm coming to check chat right now. I hope everybody can hear me okay. I didn't even check my mic, guys. Let me know if you can hear me okay. Thanks for whoever's here. Let me check my chat. Meanie, hello. How are you? Meg P, darling, hi. How are you? Swamp Rose, hello, darling. Audrey, hi, honey. Angel, thanks for being here. Let me know if you can hear me. Truth and Justice, Crime with Anna D, hello. Danger. Good afternoon. All right, Yuri's math teacher, hello, how are you? Okay, you guys let me know. Give me some ones. Can you hear me? Oh, okay, thanks, Danger. Awesome. Okay, cool. You can hear me. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't even bother checking my mic. Let me check my settings here real quick. Sorry, friends. All right. Now, hopefully that, if for any reason there was some skipping there. Toes, how you doing? Thanks for being here. Carrie, hi, how you doing? Thanks, everyone. Appreciate you. This is going to be quick. It's going to be quick. It's only like 4 pages here, and then there's one thing from Hippler, and then I'm off to work. I didn't realize that this was even on the docket right now. I had saw a few things on the case summary page, but I didn't realize that this was there. So if you've already read it, if you've already seen it, wonderful. If you haven't, here we go. We get to learn together. All right, I'm going back in another window. Thanks for letting me know you can hear me. And thanks to everybody for being here. Appreciate you. Where was I? Right here. Over the objection of Mr. Kohberger, the court required that portion of the May 30th, 2024 hearing on the second motion to IGG discovery be closed. The court again ordered the production of records under seal. The court's concerns were the privacy rights of the names of individuals identified in Mr. Kohberger's family tree. At the second motion to compel IGG discovery, Mr. Kohberger argued that he would be filing a motion to suppress the IGG. He asked the court to allow the pleadings and hear public. On May 20th, 2024, the court indicated it would take the matter up after the suppression pleadings were filed. In the interim, venue changed, and this case is now before a new judge. The motion to suppress regarding genetic information was filed on November 14th, 2024, and is now fully briefed. Pursuant to court direction, the parties stipulated to file all IGG suppression pleadings under seal. No names of the extended family tree are discussed in the briefing. The matter is set for hearing January 23rd and 24th, 2025. Mr. Kohberger requests that the briefing be unsealed and the hearing take place in an open court. Argument. Due to the national and international attention to this case, and in the interest of protecting Mr. Kohberger's right to a fair trial, many pleadings in this case have been sealed appropriately pursuant to Idaho Administrative Rule 32. Mr. Kohberger has a right to a public trial, and sealing a suppression hearing is a clear violation of this right to a public trial. See Weaver v. Massachusetts, Waller v. Georgia, sealing of motion to suppress to protect privacy of witnesses was error, requiring remand for a new public hearing. State v. Ingram, there's a couple of other cases cited here. In addition to Mr. Kohberger's right to a public trial, the public has a First Amendment right to know what goes on in the courts. State v. Clapp. Idaho Code 74-1041B recognizes that records contained in court files of judicial proceedings may be exempt from disclosure under rules promulgated by the Idaho Supreme Court. The Idaho Supreme Court adopted CAR 32 to define when public access to judicial records may be denied. State v. Doe. When the court is considering whether to seal the record, Rule 32 directs the court, Rule 32I, directs the court to consider, quote, the traditional legal concepts in the law of the right to a fair trial, invasion of privacy, defamation, and invasion of proprietary business records, as well as common sense respect for shielding highly intimate material about persons, end quote. Records may be sealed. Under Rule 32I1, records may be sealed or redacted if the court makes a finding of fact as to whether in privacy or public dominates. The court's decision to seal judicial records is discretionary. Here, the way in which the IGG material was accessed and used is a matter warranting public disclosure and should be shielded from the public's right to know. This matter is of the utmost importance to Mr. Kohberger's right to a public hearing. Holding the hearing in open court will not prejudice the parties, and this should be held in open court. The issues raised are legal issues, and cases with similar issues are being decided in other states. The issues raised in Mr. Kohberger's suppression motion are those that were discussed in the public hearing on the first motion to compel. Additionally, the way in which IGG occurred in this case has been made public in other cases. See State v. Hartman. Then she cites something here, Golden State Killer, suspect, Washington Post. It's a Washington Post thing. It's there. If you want to click on it, read it, go ahead. Conclusion. Mr. Kohberger has a right to a public trial and the public right to know how genetic information was used in this case. Neither the state nor Mr. Kohberger will be prejudiced by unsealing the briefing and holding the IGG hearing in an open court. The pleadings and hearings should be unsealed, right? And that's Miss Masseth signing on that. All right, so just wanted to read that. Told you it was going to be a quickie. I did not realize this hit the docket. I had seen the case summary, didn't realize this was there. I'm going to stop. And then we are going to go back over here and something else. Thanks everybody for being here. Just hopefully you could hear me okay. Hopefully everyone wasn't too spotty. I'm spotty and my mic is giving me problems. Sorry, Erin. Hi, how you doing, darling? Thanks for being here. Kaibo, hello. How you doing? Thanks for being here. Oh, thanks, Yuri. Oh, appreciate you. You like my delivery? Yes, thanks. Thanks, Shannon. I was just saying that. Shannon Sterling. Appreciate you, darling. I don't need a new mic. This is a brand new mic, actually. I just bought it about a month ago. It cuts out. Couldn't tell you. It's literally a brand new mic. So, fucking A, like we do at the end of every video, I'll just link the document. Go, frame it, print, read it, do whatever you like. Okay. And Christy, darling, how are you? Thanks for being here. Hopefully it's not too bad. If my mic's cutting out every 8 seconds, then okay. It is what it is. I'm going to show you this real quick, though. We'll go take a look at this. Let's see. Da-da-da. The notice of hearing. This is the one that I noticed was actually there today. Here. All right. Here we go. Make that a little bigger. Hearing in order for the January 21st, the sealed hearing. I'm pretty sure. IGG, obviously. It says it right here. The motion that we read to unseal the IGG hearing was because there's going to be a hearing January 21st, 10 a.m. Mountain Time. It's going to be a closed, sealed hearing. Looks like everybody's attending via Zoom, including the defendant. So it says on January 21st at 10 a.m. Mountain Time, the court will hold a closed, sealed hearing by remote video means to defense motion to unseal materials related to its request to suppress evidence stemming from the use of IGG DNA, and 2, consider what portion and under what circumstances should the various motions set to be heard on January 23rd and 24th be open to the public, either live and or by. The clerk will provide a video link to the attorneys of record who requested a link and to the Ada County Jail so that the defendant may appear via video. The Ada County Sheriff is hereby ordered to private space for the defendant to appear by video for this hearing. So it looks like their motion, I'll scratch that, strike what I just previously said. The motion wasn't denied. Looks like he granted them this hearing on the 21st to hear them out. Just my opinion, no facts here, but it would appear he gave them this 21st hearing closed and sealed so that by remote video for one to hear the defense motion to unseal regarding the IGG. So motion to unseal IGG. This is the hearing for that. He's going to give him the opportunity to tell him in private, I think, first, what they think needs to be suppressed and why. And then they'll determine from there what and under what circumstances for the things that are going to be heard on the 23rd and 24th, whether or not those will be open to the public as well. Not a lawyer, don't know shit, just saying that's my interpretation of this. If I'm wrong, I'm sure someone will let me know in the comments. Stop sharing. But that's what it looks like anyway. Okay, so I knew this was not going to be a long one. Hopefully, everybody has an awesome day. I am off to work for the night. That's all I do is work, work, work. Anyways, I hope everybody has an awesome night. Thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping by. Don't leave a like, right? Leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Tell me if I'm wrong. And great night. Catch y'all later. Bye.